Well, hello there. That battery can last up to 24 hours even with the always-on display turned on. It's pretty cool.
Hello to all viewers of my channel. You know, that quote, it really hits home, doesn't it? It gets to the heart of this weird problem so many of us have. We get all these tools to be more productive, but then we spend so much time using the tools that we don't get the actual work done.
So in this explainer, we're going to dive into how AI is evolving. It's going from just a simple tool to a really powerful partner, not just for getting things done, but for learning too. We'll start with that planning paradox, check out some AI solutions that are out there right now, and then look ahead to what a future where we work with AI could really look like.
Okay, first up, the planning paradox. Let's really dig into that feeling we all know so well, where you get so lost in the organizing that you never actually get around to the doing.
It's such a classic trap, isn't it? You get so caught up in scheduling and then rescheduling and, color coding everything on your calendar. And suddenly those precious hours you were trying to protect are just gone. That right there is the planning paradox, when the act of getting organized actually stops you from making any progress.
But what if you could just offload all that hassle? This is exactly where AI is stepping in. And it's not just another calendar app. It's meant to be a genuinely smart organizer.
And here's how these AI planners are designed to solve that paradox for us. They don't just sit there and hold your schedule. They actively manage it. They automate the boring stuff. They learn your habits to build personalized plans, and they sync up with all your other tools. They're doing the heavy lifting of organizing so you don't have to. The end goal? To give you back all that time you were losing to planning.
And this isn't some futuristic idea. These tools are out there right now. You've got things like Clockwise, which is fantastic for automatically carving out chunks of uninterrupted deep focus time. Motion is like an all-in-one project manager, and Reclaim is great for helping you balance your work life and your personal life. And for anyone who loves to be in control, Scheduleify lets you create some incredibly detailed rules for your day. Each one offers a slightly different way to get your time back.
But organizing our time? That's really just the beginning. The truly game-changing part of all this is how AI can go way beyond just scheduling. What if it could actually become a personal guide for your growth, like a mentor?
So what exactly do we mean by an AI mentor? Well, researchers have a pretty clear definition. It's an AI that gives you personalized, right-on-time feedback to help you close the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. It's not just a database of information, it's an active partner in how you learn.
And the benefits here are just wow. An AI mentor is there for you 24/7, ready with instant feedback to keep you going. It can help you brainstorm, build a learning plan that's just for you, and even give you a little nudge to check out new things. It's kind of like having a super patient, super knowledgeable guide on call whenever and wherever you need them.
Now, this obviously brings up a pretty big question. How does this new kind of AI coach really stack up against a traditional human coach? Let's take a look.
And this is really the question at the heart of the whole conversation, isn't it? We're talking about guidance, motivation, understanding, things that feel so deeply human. So can a piece of code, an algorithm, really step into that kind of role?
Well, the reality is they just have different strengths. A human coach is absolutely amazing when it comes to things like empathy, reading between the lines, and just getting complex human situations. An AI coach, on the other hand, offers total consistency, it's there 24/7, and it can apply specific theories and frameworks with perfect precision every single time.
Here, let's look at a concrete example. This is an AI chatbot called Coach Vici. As you can see, it's walking a user through setting a SMART goal that's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. It's a very structured, by-the-book approach that an AI can execute flawlessly.
Okay, but with any technology this powerful, we have to look at both sides of the coin. It's not all a perfect future. We need a balanced reality check.
Yeah, with all this amazing potential, you have to ask yourself, right? So what's the catch? What are the downsides and their risks that we really need to be thinking about?
The promise is enormous. AI could literally democratize coaching, making personalized support cheap and accessible to millions of people who could never get it before. It offers what some researchers call superhuman abilities, like that 24/7 access, creating learning opportunities that are truly 100% tailored to you.
But the perils, they're just as real. There's a big danger of becoming over-reliant on AI, which could actually make our own creative thinking a little weaker. We have to deal with serious stuff like data privacy and the very real potential for biased algorithms. And let's be honest, AI still doesn't have real empathy. And if we're not careful, it could lead to less of the vital human connection we all need.
So where does all this leave us? Well, the most compelling vision for what's next isn't about AI replacing people. It's about collaboration.
The future isn't about replacement. It's all about synergy. The idea is to build systems where human intelligence and artificial intelligence actually complement each other, achieving way more together than either one could on its own. The AI can handle the data, the patterns, the consistency, while the human provides the wisdom, the empathy, and the crucial real-world context.
There's this quote from some of the researchers in this field that just says it perfectly. By showing more people the benefits of coaching, AI could actually grow the demand for skilled human coaches, the ones who can provide that deeper, more nuanced support that a machine just can't.
So this is the thought I really want to leave you with. The big question isn't if AI is going to replace us. The real question is, how are we going to partner with it? The future is a blank page. What will we, humans and AI, decide to build together? Subscribe to the channel and like, and also suggest your topics for future videos in the comments.